Very good morning, dear children. Subject Science, Class 4, Chapter 4, Clothing. So, dear children, here it is written clothing. As you all know, we need clothes to wear. Okay, our body needs clothes to wear. Our clothes protect us from winter, from rainy season and summer. When we feel cold in winter, we wear clothes. When we feel hot in summer, we wear clothes. And when there is rainy season, we need clothes to cover our body. So in this chapter, we are going to study about the clothing. So let us start today's chapter. Introduction. Our ancestors used to live in caves. They have no idea about clothes. They used to wear animal skin, leaves, barks of trees and leather, etc. Nowadays, people use different types of clothes. We need different clothes for different purposes, like casual wear for home, clothes for school, clothes for playing games, and clothes for formal events. So children, here are some events and some special occasions where we wear different type of clothes. Purpose of clothing. Clothes are used for various purposes. Clothes protect our body from heat, cold, rain, dust and insects. We look smart and feel confident in good athletes. We can identify the job of a person by his or her uniform. Clothes for different seasons. We wear different types of clothes for different seasons. In summer, when it is very hot, we wear cotton clothes. In winter, we wear warm clothes. In rainy season, we wear raincoat or gum boots. They protect us from water. We wear them over the usual summer clothes. So children, as I told you before, what clothes we wear that protect us from the season. Like in summer, when we feel very hot, we wear cotton clothes. Or in winter, we wear warm clothes. Or in rainy season, mostly we wear raincoat. Or clothes, we wear cotton clothes in rainy season. So we wear clothes according to the season. Materials used in making clothes. Clothes are made from long thin threads called fibers. Fibers are two types, natural and synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers. Fibers like nylon, rayon, linen and polyester are made from chemicals. These are called synthetic fibers. They are long, strong and durable. They are waterproof and wrinkle free. Natural fiber. Fibers made from parts of animals and plants are called natural fibers. In olden days, people used these fibers to make clothes. We get fiber like cotton, jute, hemp and coir from plants. These are called plant fibers. We also get fiber like wool and silk from animals. These are called animal fiber. Types of clothes used in with different reasons. In different countries, people wear different types of clothes. In India, people wear different kinds of clothes. Indian men wear kurta pajama, dhoti, shirts and lungi. Indian women wear a sari with a blouse. Sari is a national dress of Indian women. In Assam, women wear a traditional dress called mekhla. Special dresses. Some people wear special clothes for their specific work. Soldiers wear uniforms which are made of a very tough and durable material. A doctor wears white coat. A nurse wears a white tunic. Factory workers wear uniform of a specific color or an overall. School children wear uniforms specified by their school. Care of clothes. So children, when we wear clothes, we have to care of our clothes. So here are some tips how we can protect our clothes from the damage. Clothes must be washed with detergent or soap to remove sweat, dust, dirt and germs. Clothes of a patient must be washed with warm water, detergent and antiseptic to free it from germs and dirt. Woolen clothes are washed in soft, gentle soap. Delicate woolen and silken clothes should be dry cleaned. Clothes after washing or dry cleaning must be kept in the cupboard along with some dry neem leaves or mothballs. This keeps insects away. Questions and answers. Children, please write these questions and answers in your notebook. Name a plant product which we use for making thread, cotton and jute. Why do we wear light colored clothes in summer? We wear light colored clothes in summer because these clothes are not allow heat to pass through them. Name two woolen clothes which we wear in winter. Sweater and woolen coat. From where do we get silk thread? Silk thread we get from silk moth. What is natural fiber? Fiber made from parts of plants and animals. Name two things used to protect woolen clothes from insects. Dry cleaning and naphthalene balls. Name two synthetic clothes. Rayon and nylon. Name any four summer clothes worn by Indian men. Pant shirt, kurta pajama, shorts and t-shirts. Does a raincoat protect us only from rain? Yes. Name any four people who use special dresses for work. Doctor, postman, teacher and police inspector. Why do we wear aprons in the kitchen? We wear aprons in kitchen to keep our clothes clean. Thank you, my dear children. Have a nice day. God bless you all.